Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to create a few different types of dynamic content for your school's emails in its CRM. Let's get started. First, navigate to the email section of Mautic by clicking Channels and then selecting Emails. You could either create a new email, clicking this button here, or add dynamic content to a pre-existing email, as we're going to do. When you've created or clicked on your email, you can then click Edit and select the builder to be brought into the email editor. To start, we're going to add a personalization token to this email, so it's a little bit more customized and tailored to your prospective students. To do so, we're going to click where we want to add the personalization token. In this case, it's in the first text box. And instead of just saying a general hello, we're going to make it so that the email addresses each prospective student by name. So in this customized slot section, what you're going to want to do is type the squiggly bracket and then type in the parameter you want to use. In this case, it's first name. As we can see, it's appeared right here. Now, whenever the lead receives this email, it will say hello and their first name. If you want to add a little bit more complex type of dynamic content, scroll up to the slot type section, select dynamic content, and drag it into the email. As you can see, it will show up as a dynamic content field. You can click on it and then scroll to the customize slot section, or you can add the default content, which is going to be what prospective students see if they do not meet the more personalized requirements. And then you can click the Add Variant button to add another option. If you wanted to create a dynamic CTA, for example, you could upload a default CTA that says something along the lines of click here for more information. And then you could add different variations, perhaps based on program. Click here for more information about our English program, for instance, and then another variant, click here for more information about our Spanish program, for instance. And how do you know that this dynamic content will be shown to the right people? Well, using the Filters tab. So you could filter it by program, and then you could choose the different programs. In this case, we have TOEFL preparation or intensive ESL course. The other variation could also go by program, but then create a CTA for a different one, such as SEO. The options are endless with dynamic content. You can add as many variants as you want, and you can delete them as you please. When you're happy with your email, all you have to do is press apply, then close the builder, and then save your email, and you can send it whenever you would like. And that's it. Now you know how to create dynamic content in Mautic's emails. For more information or for more videos, visit the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.